Oh, what's up? What's good? This is Clifton Ubry, and today I got a video showing the Vivitar pistol grip, also a tripod depending on how you use it. Bought this product for under $10. If I'm not mistaken, it was somewhere around the $7 or $8 range when I purchased, and currently I'm showing me using the product, and this is the video that you will get from it. And currently I'm walking alongside an incline just to kind of show how things would look if stabilization is better using it versus doing things handheld. Now, the good thing about using this product is you can do a lot of things with it, getting low shots, try to get close up on items. Now, if you're doing this with your hand, it's a little bit harder to do. But this is some of the footage you can get handheld using the Vivitar pistol grip. Now in a second, I'll be switching to handheld, and on my phone, which is the LG V40, I'm currently using it without having steady mode on. So everything is just gonna be straight, no stabilization. And these are your results. Currently, I'm using my LG V40 without the pistol grip, and these are your results handheld, as you can see. And if I try to go down to look at some of the grass, it takes a little bit more effort trying to get down here. And I would say, as far as using the little grip, there's a lot of shots that you can get far better, say like overhead and down on the objects. But this is really what you can expect handheld. And really, I would say if you're somebody who has issues holding the phone, holding it steady, or just get tired of holding it, that grip is so much better. Because I mean, you have something better to grip on and the phone is out ahead. And then, I mean, even if you want to use it as a vlogging style setup, you can turn it backwards and do it that way also. So, I mean, you have all kind of options with this. So I will say, I think it's something that's definitely worth it. $7, give it a try. Now, I do have my mirrorless camera. Problem with it is, I'm really not too sure on the fact of it being strong enough to hold it. I mean, I've put it on there and tried it, but I just don't trust it. Cell phone, I haven't had a problem. So if you're looking for this product, I mean, you can check on the website for it. I picked mine up at Walmart the other day, and so far I'm really loving it. Now what I will do is use that particular grip with steady mode on, just to kind of give an idea to everyone on how that will look. Currently, this is with steady mode on, and this is with the pistol grip that I've been showing off. And here's another shot of getting close up to the grass and just moving back up and just kind of panning around a little bit. But this is basically what can be expected in steady mode, and this is how most people are going to use their cell phones. But this is using the grip. Like I said, $7, very useful. Hope everyone enjoyed. If you look for any more information, tips, or really just anything, there will be more videos. If you like the information, please subscribe. Hope everyone has a good day. Y'all be safe out there and take care. And I'll just leave y'all with a little bit of this southern Louisiana view along the Mississippi River.